When you're developing an instrument with fluidic architecture, precision is paramount. Crafting a seamless flow path requires careful consideration of every detail. The fear of a poorly designed unit can be daunting. Potential leaks, inefficiencies, and failures in the field are roadblocks you can't ignore. When faced with these challenges, trust IDEX Health and Science to deliver the solution your instrument needs. A simple, cross-drilled manifold on a tight timeline ensures precision and reliability every step of the way. At IDEX Health and Science, we are experts in precision machine plastics for life science instrumentation. While you may know us for more complex manifolds, we also quickly produce prototypes for smaller footprint manifolds with our highly automated machining centers. Our expertise and technology guarantee precision and quality features with cost efficiency in mind. With over 60 years of manifold design expertise, you can trust our experts to design your manifolds with a focus on design for manufacturing and design for cost approach. Equipped with precision 3D printing capabilities and a dedicated prototype CNC machining cell, IDEX Health and Science expedites the evaluation of manifolds. Our accelerated process ensures a more rapid delivery than the industry standard timeframe. Enabled by our advanced CNC machining technologies, we consistently manufacture precision manifolds from a variety of polymers with tolerances down to 5 microns. IDEX Health and Science is ISO 9001 certified, guaranteeing the highest quality manifolds with the highest quality standards and repeatable performance. Backed by our extensive manufacturing technologies and expertise, we ensure a smooth ramp-up for high-volume manifolds, consistently delivering on time without challenging your budget. As your fluidic platform gets more complex, we adapt and grow with you. Our capabilities extend to integrating valves, degassers, sensors, pumps, and connections into your fluidic instrument. Collaboratively, we scale from simple cross-drilled plastic components to intricate bonded manifolds and full fluidic subsystem assemblies that are fully assembled and tested to your specifications. Handling everything from large to small, simple to complex, we're your full capability partner for fluidic distribution. Our efficient process ensures high-quality manifolds from prototype to production, so you can focus on the chemistry while we handle everything else. Visit idex-hs.com/manifolds to learn how partnering with IDEX Health and Science minimizes instrument risk, providing precision manifolds with consistent on-time delivery at a price that won't challenge your platform.